The global COVID-19 epidemic must still be closely monitored. Genetic changes and mutations can occur over time. Vaccines serve as a protective shield. They slow down and reduce the impact of the virus, lowering the chance of death. Recently, Thai Science and Medicine developed a vaccine using the same mRNA technologies from abroad, the BAIYA, or medicinal leaf vaccine.
I got the government scholarship to do PhD in US like almost 20 years ago. During my PhD, I did research on plant-produced vaccines for Ebola. And after finished PhD, then I came back to work in Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Chulalongkorn University. I continued the research on plant-produced vaccines. We try to focus on the disease that is a problem in Thailand, like rabies, hand-foot-mouth disease, or the antibody for cancers. And in 2018, I, with my colleagues, Dr. Sutira, start BAIYA Phytofarm, which is the startup company under CU Innovation Hub. We try to push the research to commercialize. Chulalongkorn University helped us to do the crowdfunding, and we get the money from Thai people from the private sectors to build up the facility in Chulalongkorn University. Then in 2021, we get the facility that we can produce the vaccine from plant and can use this vaccine to test in human.
So at BAIYA Phytofarm, we make recombinant proteins, which is a tobacco plant, to produce recombinant protein. This recombinant protein are very similar structure to a spike protein of the COVID-19 virus. So our vaccine has undergone clinical trial phase 1 in human last year in September. After that, phase 1 has finished. We have get the safety data and also the preliminary efficacy data. What we know that right now there is a spread of Omicron variants of COVID-19 virus. So we are now trying to re-engineer our vaccine to have a better stimulation of antibodies. And we have the second generation of vaccines that will undergo phase 1 clinical trial in March 2022. The good thing of having this platform in the country is that there are changes in the variants of the vaccine all the time. When there are changes, it means that we need to be able to adapt and make new vaccines, just like when we have Omicron and other variants spread all over the world. So the good thing of having this platform in the country is that we will be able to adapt our platform to produce the vaccines just in time when there are changes in the variants. So this is our first step, but then it's very important for us to have these vaccine security in place in the country. The COVID-19 vaccine is our first product that we get into first in human trial. But the platform itself can be adapted and then can be changed to produce other products. For example, monoclonal antibodies for cancer, which is a new paradigm for the treatment of cancer. We have several products in the pipelines, and we want to make those products available not just for Thai people, but also for the people in this region. There are so many health needs in this region that still an unmet need, and we would like to tackle those issues. The very important thing is we have made a very big step by being the first producers of vaccines and recombinant protein using a plant-based platform for human use in Asia.
The ability to produce a domestic vaccine will increase Thailand's health security. In addition, this research will also provide benefit to the people and is an important milestone for the development of Thailand's pharmaceutical industry.